I'm Joshua Lowell and I'm working at Imperial College in the Hamlin Center, and I'm going to show to you today BSNOS, which is a Body Sensor Network's operating system. And the scope behind the project is to enable easy programming of BSNs. This is a BSN kit, and inside our BSN kit you'll find there's two BSN nodes, one accelerometer, one USB board, a battery, a prototype board, and a BSN USB stick which has the operating system on it. Now, BSNOS is intended for people who are not that proficient in programming embedded systems. There's a lot of different variants that are available, but our scope is to make it easy for you to be able to program body sensor node applications. So I'm going to show you how quickly we can create an application for our BSN node using our BSNOS ID, which I've just opened. And we're going to create a standard BSN application. There's a number of templates available. And we're going to call it sample and send, because what we're going to do is we're going to sample some sensor data and send it over the air. So to create this, all we need to do is create a loop which will just continuously going. Sample the sensor using the accelerometer. So we'll sample the accelerometer. We'll create a radio message then, which will consist of the accelerometer data. The accelerometer has three axes, X, Y, and Z. And we'll just append the X, Y, and Z axes into this radio message, and then we'll send the radio message as a broadcast message to anyone that's listening. We'll also toggle a LED so that we can know that our application is actually running, and we'll wait around, let's say 10 milliseconds, so that there's a period in between each sample. And that's it, our first application is done. That's a sample and send application, quite simple. So we'll now change that Java code into BSNOS code, which you can run on the small sensor. So we take out one of our nodes, we take the accelerometer and the battery, and we assemble them together. And we put that onto our USB programming board. And also, besides the sensor sampling, we're also going to need a base station. I've already pre-programmed the base station, and this is using standard template code, which is available in BSNOS. So we're now going to program our sampling node, and we just have to download that. Now, right now it's downloading the operating system, BSNOS, onto the node, and that consists of drivers for the sensors, the radio, the storage, and other peripheral devices, which are then exposed to the higher level Java application, which will use these lower level devices. And after this operating system loads, we'll then load the application, which is done automatically for us, which just finished now, and the application is loaded. So we see our LED is toggling, which probably means we're sending data. Our base station is toggling, which means it is receiving data. Now let's quickly have a look at what this data looks like. So there's also a template available in BSNOS ID, which allows us to easily visualize that data. And there it is. So in less than a few minutes, we have our sensors sampling and sending data.